In this video, we will learn how to set up the right-hand cutting tool. First, we will identify the two main components we will be using on the lathe machine: the tool post and the tail stock. To ensure our tool tip is aligned to our machine center, we need to install the live center in the tailstock. Lock the tailstock in place. Retract the ram using the hand wheel until the drill chuck unlocks. To prepare for the live center, we will extend the ram by rotating the tailstock handwheel clockwise until there is about 2 inches of the ram extended. Using some force, lock the live center into the ram. Let's identify the items needed to set up our tool. We need the tool holder, the right-hand cutting tool, the 4mm hex wrench, the 7/8 wrench, and finally, the live center. After grabbing the necessary tools, we will clean underneath the tool post. Use the 7/8 wrench to remove the tool post nut. Remove the 2 spacers. And then lift the tool post off the compound. Using a clean paper towel, wipe any dirt, debris, or chips off of the compound where the tool post sits and the bottom of the tool post. Once cleaned, replace the tool post, the 2 spacers, and the 7/8 nut. Looking at the right-hand cutting tool straight on, the cutting edge will be in the upper right corner. To ensure proper orientation, make sure the cutting edge is pointing in the same direction as the open side of the tool holder and on top. Let the tool stick out about a thumb's width. Lock the cutting tool in place using the 4mm hex wrench. To install the tool holder, we need to slide the tool holder onto the tool post dovetail. Once it is resting on the knurled nut of the tool holder, we can lock it, and then we can begin the height setting procedure. Back off the hex nut from the knurled nut. Loosen the 7/8 nut so the tool post moves freely. Now we can move the carriage with the apron hand wheel to get our tool in position. Move the tool post so that the tool tip and the live center tip are next to each other. Snug up the 7/8 nut. Loosen the dovetail lock so the tool holder moves up and down freely. Carefully spin the knurled nut to adjust the height of the cutting tool. Your tool height is set when the tool tip and the live center tip are perfectly in line. Let's take a look from a different angle. Once the tool tip and the live center are perfectly in line, we can go ahead and lock the height with the dovetail lock. Finally, spin down the hex nut until it is hand-tight against the knurled nut. We have now successfully set the height for our right-hand cutting tool. Thanks for watching MET TV.